What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a business model on YouTube when the creator doesn't show up on camera. He may use his voice or not, edit his videos or not. What does it mean? You've probably come across channels with animation or video stockage. It might have a voiceover or just music displayed in the background. This is what they call YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow. Others call it faceless channels. While the YouTube part of the name makes sense, the automation concept is quite misunderstood. In reality, sooner or later, a successful faceless channel is automated. But if you start your business with no money or a few dollars, you're left with no choice but to do the work yourself. You have to come up with an idea, write a script, record the voiceover, if needed, then edit the video. Once your channel starts making money, you can then outsource some tasks or the entire process. You can find on Fiverr freelancers from all over the world offering their services for all budgets. This is when your faceless channel turns into a proper YouTube automation business. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point information about YouTube automation. I bet you too have a question. Write it down in the comments below, we'll be happy to reply. If you like this short video, you would absolutely love the following one.